Are you hesitant to speak English in front of others? Do you feel that this language barrier is hindering your personal and professional growth? The Foundations of English Language and Writing course will help you communicate in English more effectively with an emphasis on building your listening and speaking skills. Regardless of your age and background, this course will develop your competence and confidence in interacting professionally with others in English. My name is Mishail Imran. I am an instructor at CES and I am teaching the Foundations of English Language and Writing. I have a background in academic writing and I am also a TESOL certified instructor. In this course, we'll start with the basics of English reading and writing. Our focus will be on improving your reading, writing, listening and speaking skills by participating in theme-based tasks and activities. Registration for the Foundations of English Language and Writing course is now open, so please sign up at ces.lums.edu.pk.